Hello guys, welcome to the video. So today I'll be telling you guys that how to get placed in a 9 LPA plus company when you are having CGPA less than 6. If you have a 5 or something, then don't worry, I'm going to give you some tips and which will help you to how to prepare for the process. So, and in the end I'll be also giving my example that even I had low CGPA and now I managed to get placed in 9.2 LPA company. So I'll be telling you, stay tuned with me. So the first step I want to tell you guys is that the mindset. Keep a strong mindset, because if you do not have the mindset, if you feel that you cannot do it, then it's impossible. So first thing is that have that mindset that you are going to win, and if you are not going to have the mindset, then you are going to suffer. So first thing first, keep that mindset. Do not compare yourself with anyone else, because others will be having definitely high CGP and they might get placed early, but do not lose patience. Have that strong mindset. So these things are the key to get placed when you are in this kind of difficult situation. Now the second thing is practice. Now you have to practice very hard in this, because as it is said, when a train goes very slowly in the beginning, then in the end it will have to go very fast so as to cover up the speed. So you guys will have to go very fast. In this case, you guys have to work more harder than the toppers and make sure that you work harder than compared to everyone else. Then only it is possible to secure a placement when you are in such a difficult situation. So second thing is that keep the practice in hand. Keep a strong practice and with a very strong mindset. So these two things are the key to succeed. Now third thing is that if you do not get on campus, because many times what happens, the companies have a strong cutoff like above 6 CGPA or above 7 CGPA, then you will be only eligible for those companies who have less cutoff. So in this case, what you should do is you should be also applying off campus. So try for both on campus as well as off campus, and do not have much expectations from on campus, because the chances are quite low because of the cutoffs available. So do not think about any CTC. As I said, about 9 or 10 LPA, that was just about my experience. But in the beginning, do not keep CTC in the mind, because in the beginning getting a job is necessary, because if you have a job, then you get experience, and after experience you can switch to a better company. So keep in mind that you don't sit idle and you get any job, so that you secure some experience, and with that you will be able to switch. The last thing which is a hurdle, that is peer pressure, because many times what will happen, you will be seeing friends around you who are having high CGPA. They work very hard in the beginning, but now that's the result they are getting. They'll be getting placed in a very big companies. You will see that everyone is getting placed. You feel like a loser. This kind of thoughts will be coming, and but the thing is, you have to keep patience till the end, because in the end only you can get placed mostly. Or it's good if you have good practice, then in the beginning also you can get praised. It'll be a very great thing. But do not keep patience till the end. Keep working hard till the end, because that's the key of how this can be possible. So keep till the end. And the thing is, regarding peer pressure, I want to tell you that if you're using social media like Instagram, Facebook, then many people put stories regarding that they got placed, etc. So if that is putting pressure on you, then stop using social media for some time. Then only you'll get relieved, and you won't be having much tension while you're sitting and preparing for your interviews. So make sure that do not have any distractions regarding it. Keep preparing, and try to detach yourself from social media, WhatsApp, etc. So which is doing more harm to you mentally. So try to stay mentally strong. So that's what he's saying. Being mentally strong is the most important thing in the case, because what will be happening is around you, you'll be seeing a lot of people, and there'll be an enormous amount of peer pressure. So in this case, you should be mentally strong, and that is the only thing which can help you go through this. Because tips anyone can give, you can watch any other videos as well to get tips, but this thing is very important, the mindset to succeed in this. The mindset of keeping in mind that I can do it, that is the most important to succeed in this case. And last but not the least, I want to tell that of course if you have low CGPA, then chances are there to get placed, but there might be chances that if you have tried very hard and you do not get successful. But this is the case. It's all about the game of life is all about not giving up. And the thing is, the best thing you'll be experiencing, that you won't be having any regret. You won't be having any regret after 5 years or 4 years that you didn't try. The thing is, you tried your best and you have given your best effort, and the result is not in your hand. So you gave your best effort, so you won't have any regret, and that won't reduce your confidence. You will be having your confidence on yourself, and you won't have any regrets. So that is the best thing, and that is the thing which we can learn, and this thing we can take as a badge of honor, this failure as a badge of honor, so that in the beginning in the future when we have any such problem, then we can be prepared in advance. So I told you guys that I'll be giving you guys experience in the end about my experience. So the thing was, my CGPA was very less, and I was also depressed. Even I had a lot of peer pressure, and I saw a lot of people getting placed who were with me. Then I also started developing a lot of peer pressure. But the thing was of not giving up and keeping the patience till the end. So that is the key, which is going to keep you stronger and go till the end and grab your placement. So the thing is, what happened in my case was my CGPA was low, and I tried to keep myself more connected with people who are very supportive, and I try to stay with my friends who are well wishers of mine. And practice I kept I kept going. And the thing is, I also developed more projects and a justification for my CGPA, because if your CGPA is low, then you have to give a proper justification why it is low, and what is the reason to cover it, and some reasons to cover it up, like projects. You can give a lot of projects, so that you can say that my CGPA was low because I was focusing on projects. So give a proper justification and give projects which will definitely help you. And that also helped me. I had projects, and I had some proper justification. And after that, you should also be well prepared. You should start preparing early, because your CGPA cannot be increased. From 30 only you should realize that my CGPA is not going to increase, so I'm going to try my best to prepare the projects as well as prepare for the interviews. So be prepared in advance and start preparing. Off campus, on campus, you should apply both. Even I was applying, and but luckily in the end what happened was I got placed in an on campus company whose package was 9.2 with despite a low CGPA. And this is not uncommon also, because many of my friends who were 5 pointers, they also got placed in a 10 LPA company. They did not give up. They had good projects, and they kept practicing coding or any other field in whatever field they wanted in advance from third year itself. So starting early is the best thing in this case, what I can say. So all the best for your placements, and do not give up and keep trying very hard. Thank you very much.